All right, this is the ACT circle homework deal number 14. We have to do a circle in the standard coordinate plane tangent to the x-axis at 3, 0. Okay, and if you forget what tangent means, tangent is just a line that touches the circle only once, right? So there'd be a tangent line, there'd be another one, right? Those are called tangent lines. So we know the circle is going to touch, just come down like this sort of and touch just once at 3, 0. Okay, and it's also tangent to the y-axis at 0, 3. That'd be the point up here. So we know that is tangent, touches at just both of those points. So I know my circle's got to look something like that. Okay, and in fact, the center, if I draw these up, I'm going to guess that the center is right there. Right, so that circle is terribly drawn, but I'm going to guess that if I come from tangent at these 2 points, then my center would be sort of squared on those points, right? Right here would be my center. All right, and so I'm going to draw that out just to kind of confirm it, but I'm going to take my circle tool here so I can actually draw a decent circle. You can see that that seems to be about right. Okay, so visually that's what my circle looks like. The center then would be 3, 3. Okay, and then the radius would just be 3 also. Okay, so looking at my choices then, I'm just going to plug it in. It ends up, again, being sort of opposite. So h and k are both 3. So I do x minus 3 squared plus y minus 3 squared. And then the radius squared is just 3 squared, which is just 9. Okay, and so that gives me that equation right there. All right, that is it. Thank you for watching.